What are you doing?
Um, I'm getting,
What's that for? Is that for eating?
no.
Can I eat it? Let me see it. Can you open it? Okay, what do you do with that? You eat that? What do you do with it? Show me what you do with it. You put it in your kiki?
No.
No? Show me then.
I was for my nose.
Oh, in your nose. Oh, like that? Okay. Oh, what about the other one? The other nose. Oh, there you go. Good girl. So where's your brother?
Oh, he's going, Auntie Marisa and Uncle Neil.
He went with Auntie Melissa and Uncle Neil?
Yeah.
Oh, what about Darius?
He's going.
He went also?
Yeah.
Okay, what are they doing?
Oh, he wants.
Where did they go? Did they go to the beach?
No, he went. Um,